the function x is equal to a sin square omega t plus b cos square omega t plus c sin omega t cos t represents SHM if we have to verify all these four options now. So first of all, we can take the value of x as x is equal to, the value of x is given as x is equal to a. We can take sin square omega t as 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 plus b into, you can take cos square omega t as 1 plus cos 2 omega t by 2 plus c into, we can take sin omega t into cos omega t as sin 2 omega t by 2. So again, further simplifying, we will get x equal to a by 2 plus b by 2 minus a by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus b by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus c by 2 into sin 2 omega t. So this is the equation we got. Okay, now one by one now. So in the first option, we can see that for every value of a, b and c except c is equal to 0. So that means in the first option, we can understand that we can take the value of a is equal to 0. We can take the value of b also equals to 0, but c not equals to 0. So now we will verify that now. X is equal to, so the first term becomes 0 anyhow, second term also becomes 0, third term becomes 0, fourth term can be taken as plus c by 2 into sin 2 omega t. That means I got x is equal to, we got x is equal to c by 2 into sin 2 omega t. So this represents simple harmonic motion. Okay. So therefore the first option is correct. A is correct. Okay. Now next one. A is equal to minus b, c is equal to 2b. Second option is a is equal to minus b, and c is equal to 2b. Okay. So now we got x is equal to, again, x value is equal to, in the place of a, if I substitute a is equal to minus b here, I will be getting minus b plus b by 2, minus, in the place of again minus a, I am substituting minus b here, minus b by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus b by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus, in the place of c, I can substitute 2b by 2 sin 2 omega t. So now x is equal to, the first term becomes 0 plus b by 2 cos 2 omega t plus b by 2 cos 2 omega t becomes b cos 2 omega t plus 2b by 2 2 cancels here, I will be getting b sin 2 omega t. So now we can see that now the resultant amplitude can be found by using resultant amplitude is given by, let me take a suffix r is equal to root over b square plus 2b square. The angle between them is exactly found to be 90 degrees because one is in cos, other one is in sin. So cos 90 is 0. We will be getting now a resultant amplitude AR is equal to root over, this is b square plus b square. So this is root 2b, or I can say simply b into root 2. So now we can see that now in the option 2 we got amplitude as b root 2. So option 2 is also correct. A is also correct. Okay, next one. See option C. So option C, A is equal to B and C is equal to 0. So A is equal to B and C is equal to 0. So now we can see that now if A is equal to B and C is equal to 0, so we can see that now, so this equation becomes, so the first term becomes 0, second term becomes b by 2 here, b by 2 cos 2 omega t, third term becomes b by 2 cos 2 omega t, and fourth one becomes c is equal to 0 here, fourth term becomes 0 here. So this is of course 0 here, A is equal to B. So this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0. So adding this to becomes 0, and the leftover term will be x is equal to A by 2 plus B by 2. X is equal to A by 2 plus B by 2. So this is not simple harmonic motion because we don't have sine or cos function. Okay, and last one, option D. Option D, A is equal to B, C is equal to B. A is equal to B and C is equal to B. So now in this equation, x is equal to A by 2 plus B by 2. Let me substitute A is equal to B. I'll be getting now x is equal to A plus B by 2 minus A by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus B by 2 into cos 2 omega t plus C by 2 into sin 2 omega t. So here the values of A and B are equal. A is equal to B and C is equal to B. Let me take A is equal to B here. X is equal to A is equal to B. So B plus B by 2 minus A is equal to B here minus B by 2 cos 2 omega t plus B by 2 cos 2 omega t plus in the place of C I can take 2B. 2B by 2 sin 2 omega t. So now we can see that now this B by 2 cos of 2 omega t, B by 2 cos 2 omega t will be cancelled. So now x is equal to B plus B sin 2 omega t. So now in this equation, this B is the amplitude. So amplitude is equal to B. So therefore we can see that option D is also correct. So for this question, A, B and D are the correct options.